Xiaomi launched 12T Pro globally today, and this phone is launching in UAE on October 12th. Yeah, I got this phone from Xiaomi UAE, and this phone is really fabulous. This is a flagship phone with flagship camera, with flagship processor and flagship charger. This phone comes with 200 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 chipset, and 120 watt charger. That's really quick. And they also launched Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. So let's unbox this phone today and check out what's special in this phone. We will do a complete review on October 12th and my experience of using this phone. I'm using this phone from today as my personal phone, so I can get what's the pro and cons in this phone. So hope you like this video. I'm your host Sahil and you're watching Tech in Dubai. So here's the white box Xiaomi 200 megapixel ultimate camera 12T Pro, sound by Harman Kardon. This is 8GB variant with 256GB storage. They also have 8GB 128 and 12GB 256GB variant. So let's unbox it and see what's inside this phone. So first we get a small box which includes some ejector tool, some instruction manual, safety and everything, and then a silicone cover. So let's take out the phone. So this is 200 megapixel ultimate camera, Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1, 120 watt charger, and the display is really cool. So this phone support 120 watt charger, 5000 mAh battery, and type C to USB-A data cable. Company claim 100% in 19 minutes. Let's open the phone. This phone comes in 3 colors: blue, black and silver. I got the black one and it looked really good. This phone have anti-glare glass back and triple rear camera, Xiaomi logo, and there is a 200 megapixel camera layout. So this phone have a plastic frame, power on button, volume key on the top, stereo speaker, sound by Harman Kardon, air blaster and noise cancellation. And on the bottom you can find SIM tray, type C charging port and stereo speaker. About the SIM tray, you will get 2 nano SIM card support, no micro SD card, but this phone have 128GB and 256GB storage. The weight of the phone is 210 grams, so it's not so heavy. And let's start the phone. So this is 6.67 inch crystal rich AMOLED dot display, 120Hz refresh rate, 480Hz the sampling rate, 900 nits peak brightness, 68 billion colors, Dolby Vision, HDR10 plus support, Corning Gorilla Glass 5th protection, and in-display fingerprint sensor. You can see the bezel and the punch hole. Punch hole is little very teeny, and there is no bristles, and chin is also short. The display is really awesome. There are a few bloatwares like Netflix, Koi, Facebook, Amazon Prime. So if you don't like, you can uninstall it. And about phone, this phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 chipset, that is 4nm 5G chipset. 28GB is already used in 255GB, 8GB RAM with 3GB expandable, and Android 12. This phone also comes with MIUI 13. Company claim we will get 3 years Android update, so that's really awesome. About the refresh rate, 60Hz and 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate, so not so bad. This phone also supports LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, so really a flagship level chipset. So about the benchmark, let's try Antutu. So my score is 1,085,991. That's really impressive score. About white one, this phone support L1 security, so you can fully stream in Full HD in Netflix or Amazon Prime, so that's really awesome. About the display, this phone comes with 6.67 inch crystal rich AMOLED panel with Dolby Vision support and HDR10 plus support. So I really like this display. The bezels are really small and the chin is also very small, so I think many people will be impressed by this display. About the camera, this phone comes with 200 megapixel ultimate camera with Samsung sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens, but I think they should update this 8 plus 2 megapixel camera. And about the front camera is 20 megapixel. So here are a few shots with this phone. I click some 200 megapixel shots, some normal sensor, but I think the camera is good, not bad. We will do a complete camera review and camera comparison with Motorola H30 Ultra. That phone also comes with 200 megapixel camera sensor, so we will check out which one is better. So I think the night shots are really nice and impressive. About that 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel, I think Xiaomi should improve and update that one to 13 or 5 megapixel, which will be much better. About the front camera, the pictures are okay. There is some beauty mode, but you can turn it off if you don't like. So overall, the first impression, I think this phone is really good. This have a flagship processor, flagship camera, 5000 mAh battery, 120-watt charger, and looks wise is also good. The main concern is about price, so we will get the price in next week, so hope it will be a reasonable and like good price. So till that time, if you want to ask me something about this phone, or if you want to do a comparison, please let me know. And if you like this video, please give me a like. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe.